Literally every guy on my mom's side of the family, they were completely bald by the time they were 30.
So you're trying to get ahead of that.
Yeah, I saw where it was going.
I'm Travis Hunter. I'm a client services specialist there at the Barber Surgeons Guild in West Hollywood.
Your job here is to guide clients, and now that things have kind of flipped. Now you're that guy.
Exactly.
When did you first notice, like you really notice your things where it bothered you?
It started for me just like everybody else, probably with a double dose of denial.
Mid-20s, I'd say about 25. No matter how I tried styling my hair, eventually I started noticing there was less and less to work with. Probably took me like 5 or 6 years of being in denial before I pulled the trigger.
And I think there's also that stigma that's like, I'm tough, I'm cool, I look a certain way, I'm flawed internally, like, no way, like I can't have this, whatever it is.
Yeah.
And so we kind of bury that. So you had your consultation, you have a plan, you got your procedure coming up.
How are you feeling about your procedure? Are you excited? Are you nervous? Or like what's?
I'm excited. As minimally invasive as I know this one is, I'm not even really breaking a sweat over it. I've realized now that I've taken this journey and now that I'm about to have my procedure, that it was borderline foolish of me to have waited so long.
What do you feel is the best thing about getting your hair back? How's that gonna translate for you?
I spent so much time figuring out how to conceal it, how to use half a can of hairspray at a time just to keep it so that one gust of wind doesn't expose me.
I kind of follow your natural shape here. I don't want to make it like perfectly straight either.
Sheesh. It's a lot.
Yeah.
You up for it?
Let's do it.
All right.
It's very emotional. Yes, it's an aesthetic thing, it's an external thing, but it does affect you emotionally. I'm sure it stressed you out. As simple as it sounds as like fixing your hair, people are like, now I got my hair. Now I feel confident there. Now I'm gonna start working out. Yeah. Now I wanna like fix this. Now I wanna dress differently. Now I'm like a different person, and I'm the person I've always envisioned myself to be. And then you go out in that world and you interact differently with people. You're a little more happy, a little more confident.
Absolutely.
And you make your whole circle better and you uplift them.
The options are there, I just didn't know about it. So hopefully this helps other people make the same decision.
Awesome, good.
Love it, wrap. Go get some rest. Happy for you, man. I'm really, it's gonna be awesome.